Hello, guys. Welcome to Silent Trader. Hope you all doing well and hope you all have a good day today in US stock markets. So today just couple of earning release and MSTR has earning not move yet. ARM Holding has earning release and it just kept to the downside. QCOM has earning pop up and pop then drop to the downside. So if we check the overall market, SPY after the market open just rally to the high side, as well as the Nasdaq is also rallying to the high side. If we check the 1-day chart on my right hand side, you can see it hold a 50 simple moving average very well, and the SPY as well is hold the 50 simple moving average very well. So market is very good. It dropped on DeepSeek AI, but then after it just recovered so nicely. So today I trade couple of stock. I trade four stock, and I have pretty good day in today. I double up my daily goal today. I hit my daily goal actually today, but then after I gave the X sum off on top of it. So let's review how I trade, what's my strategy before I enter, how I manage my risk. So the first stock I traded is AMD. AMD has earning yesterday. It just dropped below on the daily level. It dropped around 110 to 100 level. So before the market open, let me show my trade. So before the market open, I already decided I want to short the AMD because it look very weak before the open. There is so many sellers and it hold below the VWAP on pre-market as you see on my right hand chart. It is the below the VWAP. So when the market open, I haven't take any trade on AMD. I just wait for the confirmation where do I enter and where I exit and where is my manage my risk. So the first entry I have is 844 or 855 when it break below the VWAP. You can also see a 5-minute chart for 845 right here. This is the big week on 5-minute candle on green side. So there's it drop above the 108. Then after quickly the sellers take in the position and just drop the VWAP. So I as when it break below the VWAP, I enter with 500 share. Today I traded with little bit higher share compared to yesterday. I just want to scale up my share size, so I also scale up my profitability as well. So I take first entry on 500 share right here for short 107.38. I take profit toward the downside, already marked down with arrow. So the first profit I take is right here 107.21, and another profit I take at 107.04, as this is three support area. So 107 107.90 107 or 106.90 is support area, so I take my profit and just close my position. As long as it move toward the VWAP and it reject the VWAP, I see so many weak candle near the VWAP. So I enter short again with 300 share right here, and I take profit below when it break 107. I take profit in 106.94 and 106.95. So then after I close my position right here. The AMD break above the VWAP, it reject again. I miss this entry. Then after I trade on the VWAP entry, I am thinking it may break below the VWAP and my profit target is 107, but it look little bit stronger, so I just stopped out right here. And then after it break this all top all the resistance like 108.20. So then after once it break the 108.20 108.40, and then after it reject so hard, so immediately I enter with 300 share. I take small profit. I take another 200 share of the profit, and also I take another open short position. So basically I have two short. One is right here 107.92, and then 107.92 right here. and then after I have another short at 107.59, and I scale up to my profit toward below the VWAP and near the VWAP as well. So I take the profit when it break 107.20 and 107. Then after I take another shot at 107, I'm thinking it may break this three bottom like the support area, but it not break. So I take small profit, and on the rest of the position I get stopped out. The same trade I did right here. So when it not break above the VWAP, it just hold below the VWAP so well. So I take open position on the short side 107.02, and as my previous plan I exit right here 106.78 or 106.82, and the rest of the position I get stopped out at right here 107. Another trade I have is right here, the same at double top. When I see a big wick candle on red on selling pressure, I take entry, but unfortunately I get stopped out when the buyers are stepped in. Another I get these two trade, I lose some of my profit. So the first I take is 107.76, I get stopped out. Another entry is right here 107.84, and I get stopped out again. So I give some back on top of it. The last trade I have is right here 110.82, and my stop loss is 111, and I get stopped out when it broke my stop entry. So on AMD, I am very good on a profitable, very high profitable trade for AMD. Another trade I have is Disney. Disney also released the earning before the market open, so the I took some short. The reason is, when the earning release, it break to high side break, then after immediately it just sell off, and before the market open it just rally to the high side. So I take my first entry on pre-market 100 share. I add one more time the 100 share, but when the market open, it break this pre-market highs, so I get stopped out right here on this arrow. So my stop is 108.20 when I lose around $600 on this trade. But then after I recover so nicely, because I see that you see this very huge topping tail on selling pressure on 5-minute candle. So immediately, once I get stopped out, I immediately enter. When I see so many buy sellers, I take my first shot right here. I add one more time at 65 right here. I take profit. So I have around 1,000 share of the short position, and my average is around 116, I guess, 116.20 maybe. And I take my first small profit just in case it break above. Then after the second profit I take around the VWAP. Another profit I take when it broke below the VWAP. So I take a really good profit on Disney. After this losing position, I recover all of my loss right here with a huge amount of share on a short position. So I have very good trade on Disney as well. Another trade I have on Netflix. I'm watching Netflix in last couple of days on my side chart. But when if you check the yesterday, it break $1,000 level, and then immediately it rejects. So I'm thinking the same. It not break the $1,000 right here. It break 1,003, but then after it just sell to the lower side. So I take my first entry when it break the 1,000 level, but immediately it just the buyers came stepped in and it broke above the 1,000, so I get stopped out. So I lose on NFLX a little bit, but with only 50 shares. Another trade I have is on Uber. Uber has earning pre-market, and it just dropped below to the high low side. If we check the 1-day chart, it just break 250 simple moving average. So usually Uber, if I don't have this Uber in my side chart when the market open, and I may trade this VWAP projection, but I miss this VWAP projection. But then after I enter right here at when it reject the VWAP, but unfortunately I get stopped out. Then after I take small long, it seems very seems little bit stronger, so I take small long, but I get stopped out again with small 3 cent of profit. Then after I take another short position right here, but I get stopped out again. And then after I switch to a long and I take small profit. And that's Uber. I'm also on downside, and Netflix and Uber I'm downside. On Disney and AMD I'm a very profitable trader. So I reach 2 times of my daily goal, guys. But I gave some back on Uber on Netflix, so I gave some back on top of it. So today I have really profitable trade as I trade 4 stock, and everything is look so strong overall the market, but all earning large cap is just dropping down on the earning due to some bad report and some bad guidance for the future on next earning report. So if you check, the QCOM is also dropping to downside, but it just recover right now. ARM holding is also dropped below on its earning. Yesterday I guess the Google has earning, and Google also dropped below, dropping to the downside. So everything is look weak on earning wise, other than the market is little bit stronger, but we never know. Anything can happen in the history of the market. So when you see a profit, take your profit and just get out of your position, close your position. So that's what I'm doing every day, every single day, and I hit my profit target every day. So the in the market, the main thing is you have to manage your risk. So you have to be a in order to be a profitable trader, you have to manage your risk. You only have to trade the profit, like the proven strategy. So before you put your real money on your account, just try with the simulator like paper trading and see if you are profitable, see if any of the strategy works, see if it's work for you or not. Then only you can put your real money on your account. So I think this is it for today. It's been a good day in US stock market, at least for me. Hope you all have a good day as well. And if you have any question, or if you want to start your trading career, feel free to ask in the comment section or just reach out to me. I will help you and I will guide you step by step how you can start your process, how you can learn what strategy you may trade, what how to select the stock. And also guys, I recently uploaded one video about how you can select stock for day trading for large cap stock. So just watch out that video on my channel. And if you have any question, just feel free to ask your question in your comment section. Thank you so much. Ciao.